Zulu bees banging. To the different shaka with the bumble. I am not Raiden. I am an African. I am not Raiden. Stop calling me Raiden. This is my shek, man. See, in Africa, we wear our shek. We honor our ancestors. The Bible say, honor your ancestors so that your days might be long. It doesn't say stop when they die. So we honor our ancestors. That shek and diggle fall, that's my shek. See that? See that right there? That shek and diggle fall, the shek and diggle fall in me. That right there is Mama Yaba. See that? That's the Oracle Mama Yaba Bay. Okay, then we got Rastafari. Right there, Haile Selassie. Then we got Simeon Toko. See that? Simeon Toko. We got, he died in 1984. Well, anyway, Google that. Then we got Naya Bingi, the Rastaman. And of course, May. Because without May, none of this shit would be possible. Anyway, I am not Raiden. But stop. I'm not Raiden. I just dress like an African. This is what an African, look. This is Sheikh Ibrahim Fall. See him? See that? See? Over there? See? See? That is Serene Sayu. That is Shakamudu Bamba. And that is... See? I am not Raiden. That shit's not funny. I'm Zayden. That's my daddy. So anybody seen got my daddy Raiden? Yeah, it's me. That look. It's your son Zayden. It ain't working, Dad. Show me how to do lightning shit. Check it, they go, I'm back.